Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you how you can mention someone in your Instagram story. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, be sure to put likes, and also write comments at the end of the video. So let's get down to our topic. And to do that, open up your Instagram. And let me show you how to create stories with mentions. So, to do that, go to create a story. To do that, you can either just click on your image or you can swipe to the right side. In this way, you'll go to story creation. Take a photo or choose a photo from the ones you have in your gallery. After that, you just have to tap on the screen to type the text. Or you can click on this two-letter A sign right here. It's basically the same thing. Next, you'll see a doggy sign right here. You click on that. And that's how you start mentioning the person. Next, you need to write the user's name, or just what the person's name is. Choose it, and then you can choose the text that you like best for the mention. You can also choose the color that you like. After you have created all the changes, you click Done. This mention you can drag and drop to any part, also make it big, small as you like. After that, you click on your story. And that's how you mention the person. But what to do if you have already posted the story but forgot to mention the person? Don't worry, you don't need to delete the story for this. You just need to open it. Next, click on the three dots at the bottom. Then select Add Mentions. And now you either choose someone from the list that you already have, or you just type in the person's name, select them, click Done. And then, when you mention a person in this way, if you look at the stories, the mention is not here in the photo, but the person will get a notification that you've mentioned them. Friends, these are the two ways you can mention someone in your Instagram story like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you all again.